Hello everyone, my name is Harshilani. I'm a student assistant here at the Student Success Center at Lakehead University, Thunder Bay. Today I'll be explaining on how employers can register themselves and post employment and volunteer opportunities on MySuccess. MySuccess is an online portal where students and alumni can view full-time, part-time, and other volunteer opportunities. And it is also a portal which allows employers to post jobs for free of charge, and you have to register one, and then employers can keep on posting jobs. So to reach to MySuccess, there are a couple of ways. Firstly, you can go to lakeheadu.ca, click on this icon here, and then click on MySuccess. The second way is to go to its website directly, which is mysuccess.lakeheadu.ca. And then the third is when I will show you how employers can register themselves. So after navigating to MySuccess website, you have to go and click on employers, click on employer registration, and then fill in the information below. Provide your email address and password, which you will require to log on to the MySuccess portal to post jobs. Provide all the information required, and then click on continue. Once that is done, registrations are confirmed within 2 business days. And then if you have any inquiries, you can contact ssc@lakeheadu.ca or at 807-343-8018. So once you're logged in to the MySuccess portal, this is how it will look like. And then if you are looking to post a job, you can go and click on post a job. Fill in the required information below, the position type, the employment category, job title, job description. And if you're uploading a file, PDF is more suitable because the Microsoft Word document file doesn't upload properly. So fill in the required information. If there's any targeted degrees and disciplines, you can add them, any programs, and then fill in the other informations, and then what documents are required by the candidates, like cover letter, transcripts. And once that is done, you can click on submit posting for approval. And once it is approved, it will be posted on the MySuccess portal for students to view and apply. So thank you very much for watching this video on how employers can register and post job opportunities on the MySuccess portal.